Going to Cartagena. Where are you going?
Cartagena.
Today, we're flying from Bogota to Cartagena. This is Colombia's port city, located along the Caribbean coast. Cartagena's Old Town is deemed a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's surrounded by forts and 16th century Spanish colonial architecture. Let's go check it out.
This is our Hotel Capilla del Mar.
Okay, it is time for a hotel tour of Capilla del Mar. This is in Cartagena. We just landed. We got a double room. This is for about 380,000 pesos in Colombia. And we have a stunning, stunning view. Bienvenidos a Cartagena. It's very hot out. It's about 85 degrees. It just rained, but everyone's still at the beach. Very warm outside, and there's so many sky rises. It's like Hong Kong or Miami or something on the beach, and it's just really cool tropical vibes here. It's very colorful, a lot of music. We're kind of on this peninsula, so if you look that way, there's actually water down there too, like right there, and the sun is setting.
From your love, you see.
Now we head into the old town of Cartagena, where we check out the restaurants and the nightlife. Look at this Cuban bar. Cool vibes in here. I am in Cartagena and we just made it to the fort. It's nighttime. Just stopped raining. It's so beautiful here. I can't even describe it. There's colors everywhere, tropical vibes. It's awesome. Estamos en Cartagena.
Historical.
Mike.
Atmospheric.
Tropical. Fort at night. It's so beautiful. It's all lit up. This is where everyone goes for their date. Okay, check this out. All of this ocean front, beautiful beaches. And this is the fort. And that's the old city. Watch this. I'm gonna go in the fort. Whoa, check this out. Oh, look, there's a hole. There's a little window. This is cool. There's those Miami sky rises. Mike, I like your shirt. Run the Atlas. You too, baby. Now we found some cannons. Look at these cannons. These are all the cannons protecting the city.
Solamente que yo digo por acá, bienvenido, pero es acá del Cartagena. Ya tú sabes, yo digo este jinete, tienes el corte de CR7. Ya tú sabes, te lo digo improvisando, tienes el cuerpo de Cristiano Ronaldo. Tú me partiste el corazón, ay mi corazón, pero mi amor no hay problema.
Okay.
Como mi mente te calienta, pero mi amor no hay problema. No, no, ahora puedo regalar.
We just sat down at this really cool restaurant. It's called Juan del Mar. They're famous for seafood. Okay, Mike, what just happened? You got a coffee latte? Cerveza latte.
Cerveza latte.
So this is like out of a speakeasy. I'm having my alcoholic drink in a cup.
BP, you're so hip. So we just ordered, but Mike got the best dish. What did you get, Mike?
Caracol mariscal.
It came in a seashell. Wow. We just ordered some appetizers. This is octopus, shrimp ceviche, and what is this, Mike?
Pilpil. Camarones pilpil.
This is our souvenir. We got a conch shell, Cartagena. Walking around the old town. No gracias. This is so cool. There's horses everywhere. Look. Gracias. This is tomate de arbol. It kind of looks like a cherry tomato, and it's very sour. Whole city comes alive at night. There's lots of photographers. Ooh, lentamente. Caballo Hermosa. My ice cream like already melted. Estamos en el parque anoche. Like, describe Hermoso. There's a statue right there. So we're in this park. Behind me, the cathedral is lit up like a candle at night. And then we just have stunning architecture everywhere. Cobblestone streets, beautiful park. The city is awesome. Getting a closer look at this building. This is Museo Histórico de Cartagena. There's a lot of horse-drawn carriages. And it's a full moon tonight. Knock on it. Anybody home? There's a giant fish. Okay, as if this city couldn't get any cooler. Behold. Look at this cathedral. So beautiful. Just really cool restaurants everywhere. Really cool bars. Este es el Museo de Arte Moderno. Modern art. Okay, this site looks really beautiful and all. This is Plaza de la Aduana, but they sold slaves here. So back in the day, this is where that went down. This is local vibes. Everybody just hangs out here at night in the plaza. You can see the reflection. We had some rain earlier. This is really cool for photography. Okay, so we just got out of the Centro Histórico. Mike, what'd you think? Amazing. Amazing. Beautiful colonial vibes. So much color. Just awesome vibes at night. Love it. Bienvenidos a Cartagena. We hope that you enjoyed this video of Cartagena. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned because coming up next, Cartagena during the daytime in Isla Peru.